gonna go ahead and just light it up. You already know the vibes. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. It's floral. It's floral, but it's not like an old lady floral fragrance. But dolls, what I'm talking about today is how you can get your hands on the little red box, sweetie. You can get you a little Cartier and live your best life. Hi dolls, it's your girl Teshiamonique back again, and today dolls I wanted to just hop on here really quick to share with you a really nice fragrance that I think you might be sleeping on. I stumbled upon it with my mom. We were in Macy's in the mall for Mother's Day, picking out a gift for mom. She was looking for her own gift, and we were just kind of walking around through the fragrance section, and this little gem caught our nose, and it is so beautiful and such a gorgeous fragrance that I said I had to get on and film this for you dolls today. Now I want to tell you dolls how you can up your perfume game, how you can up your fragrance collection, and you can get some really top-notch fragrances. And we were just walking through the mall. One of the dolls in there that was one of the fragrance ladies, she came out and she was like, try this, and we absolutely, both of us, we were just like, what is this fragrance and how do we not know about it? But dolls, what I'm talking about today is how you can get your hands on the little red box, sweetie. You can get you a little Cartier and live your best life without breaking the bank, honey. So today we are unboxing this beautiful fragrance from Cartier. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. You definitely have to get your nose on it if you haven't already. It is a must for any collection. Very light, very floral, very beautiful, and very unique, which is I think what stands out the most for me. What a gorgeous, of course, packaging. It is Cartier, so you already know the vibes, and this is going to give you a little elevated style, a little elevated fragrance game with a fraction of the cost. Okay, so the box itself was too big to fit in the Cartier bag, so they did just give us a couple of bags. And I say us because I picked this fragrance up for my mom, but I'm unboxing it for you dolls. She said definitely share it before she starts to wear it. So they gave us the Cartier bags that it should have gone in, which are super nice. These are the same bags, the same packaging and all of that you would get at the Cartier boutique. And you'll see the same when I do the Chanel unboxing, is that it's the same packaging, the same vibes, all of the same things, the same brand that you would get at the actual boutique, but you can find that inside of your local department store and ball till you fall. So I wanted to just quickly unbox this with you. This is the fragrance. This is a Cartier Perfumes, and they do make fragrances for men, women, and they have unisex fragrances as well, and they really all smell divine. I absolutely love them. Highly recommend. So the box is just 2T, as you dolls can see, and I just absolutely love it. It's gonna open up like this. True unboxing. And dolls, don't ask me to say the name of the fragrance because I will butcher it. You dolls know I've been working on my French to go to France, but I am not there with it yet. So the fragrance itself looks like this. This is the name of it. This is a Cartier Perfume. You can pick this up on Cartier.com. Bassard Volet, I have no idea, but it is a parfum and it looks like this. This is the 3.3 fluid ounce, and then they did put a lot of little samples and goodies in the box, which was so sweet. Those dolls were super nice. There's some perfume samples that they gave us. You guys can see the names there. They're all the same. So they gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of those, and that's gonna be really nice as well. And then the rest of the box is just tissue. So let's just get into this fragrance. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage it, and then that way I can give it to my mom when she pulls up to pick me up today. The box is gorgeous, but the fragrance is phenomenal. I just really fell in love with the fragrance. I thought it was a really nice fragrance for the spring and of course for the summer. The bottle looks like this, which I think is so elevated and so nice, so gorgeous for your collection. And then the cap flips up like this, and then you have your sprayer here, which is so nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and just light it up. You already know the vibes. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. It's floral. Let's see how the sprayer is. It's floral, but it's not like an old lady floral fragrance. Very light, very airy, very inviting, and just very nice on the nose. It's a subtle fragrance. I smell gardenia in there. I smell pansy in there, jasmine, but it's not like an old stiff type jasmine or a spray for sure. This is really nice. It's very elegant and it's a soft note, very feminine, which I love about it. I think that if you want something that's feminine, that's flirty, fun, but light, airy, fresh, but also something that's not going to be easily recognized by everybody, like, you know, some of your other brands like your Baccarat's or your Delinas and things like that, but still in the same note. I think it has a really soft essence. It's got an oil essence in there that is kind of warm, but not in a deep sense. It's just like a light fragrance, but it gives like a little sexiness, I would say, on the back end. It's just very pleasant. I think it's something that will draw attention to you, but also that you will enjoy yourself, because that's the most important thing, and it's not just for others. But I say that because, you know, when you're out and about, especially during the summer months, it's light. It can be hot temperature wise. You don't want something on that's really overpowering or that is going to be disruptive to people around you. But I think this is something that will be very nice, very elegant, understated, but elevated, definitely elevated. It's Cartier, for God's sake. So I think that you dolls should definitely give this a try. They do have other fragrances and perfumes that you can try out. And the thing I love about this is that it's not just so widespread. So you're not going to go out and about and somebody else is going to be wearing your same fragrance. I'm gonna try out some of the smaller bottles and let's take a look at those as well. So this is a different fragrance. She said it was a newer one and it looks like this. I have it upside down and it looks like this. And I am so excited to try this one out as well. Okay, and so it's a good little sample for sure. And I'll just spray it a little in the air. Oh, this one smells really good too. And you know I'm a layering girl, so here we go. Oh, this smells good. I may actually like this one better when I go get my bottle. Oh yeah, this one has a little more sass in it, I would say. It's a little more sassy than the Basur Volet. This one is La PANTHERE, but this one smells really good. I think it's a little more sensual, and you dolls know I love a sensual fragrance. So I think this one for me is a little more along the lines of how I like to smell and what I like to smell on myself. I think this one smells really good, actually. And look how you spraying, girl. Okay, so this tell you that your girl is a big sprayer because hello, ate through this little bottle, but I absolutely love this one. And I think this will be the one I'm gonna go back and get. I also had my eyes on the Dior, the new Miss Dior. I also was thinking about getting the J'adore, the one that has the oil, the orange essence, or else the Gabrielle by Chanel when I go back. But this one I definitely will be picking up because I think that it will be great in my collection. And it's also just a really nice smell. It's feminine, it's light and airy as well, but it's got a little more of I guess just like a sensual essence to it. I want to say that some of the floral notes in it, let me see what I smell in there. I'll have to put some of the notes on here, but for me, they kind of have a brighter essence to them, which I'm really enjoying now that I've sprayed it on. So definitely gonna let this, wear this today. I wore it when I was in the store. It has a great staying power, in my opinion. And I like that it, sits well with other fragrances. Like if you have something that has a little fragrance in it from your lotion or your deodorant or things like that, or a body spray, then this is not gonna just take, it's like complimentary, you know, it doesn't just eat it up or not mix well with other things that you may be wearing, but it definitely is great standalone. So okay dolls, those are the two fragrances from Cartier that I wanted to share with you dolls today. Be sure, if you haven't, to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so that you can be tuned in for all of the uploads, because as you can see dolls, the videos are flowing. I've got the new content for you dolls, and I'm just super excited to be filming in my new beauty room for you guys. So this space is just so inviting and nice and bright that it just makes it so easy to sit down and film. So today I sat on the other side of the room just to kind of get a vibe and see if how the filming will be on here, and I'm equally as pleased. So just kind of playing around with things. Be sure to give a thumbs up or 2 little pink hearts if you like this setup. the new beauty room if you're feeling Cartier fragrance. Is this something that you would be interested in picking up? And do you like fragrance hauls and reviews from me? If so, just leave your comments below. I love hearing from you dolls, and you know that I will respond to all of your comments. So until next time, dolls, I will see you. Mwah. Bye.